Hey guys, so I have to tell you one thing really quick before we start this video. My intro suggestions. So if you liked any of these intros, any of them, leave a comment down below. Which one do you like? So number 1, it's gonna be like this. Hey Wildlings, and start the video. Number 2 is gonna be like this. I need to get on the ground for this. Hey Wildlings, and then introduce the video. But number 3 is gonna be like, what's number 3? Oh yeah, it's gonna be like this. Oops. Hey Wildlings. But number 4 is gonna be like this. Be like, start the video, then be like, hey Wildlings, and go on with the video. So, tell me whichever one you like the best, and let's get on to the video. Hey guys, so I'm going to do my squishy pet peeves for the second time because I didn't really like that video that I did a year ago. So now I'm going to do a new and improved squishy pet peeves with my taco squishy. And sorry if any of these videos, when I'm introducing them, or yeah, I do one of your squishy pet peeves, but tell me if I do in any one of these. So I have 3 squishy pet peeves, and the first one is when they literally squish it while they're talking, like this. Hey, hold on, gotta do something. Hold on. So, anyways, hey guys, and welcome to my video. And yeah, so yeah, I really like this squishy, and it's not that so rising, but it's still rising and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Number 2, yes, number 2 is when they poke it, like, and they like squish it like it's slime. I do this sometimes too, but still, like, and it's in a video. So, example. Need to stand. It's gonna be hard. Okay. I'm standing, you guys, on a cup, and it's very, challenging. I don't know if you guys can see this, but yeah. So this is my new squishy. Really like it. So yeah, that's my squishy. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. But yeah, that was that. Now for number 3. I think there's going to be 4 yet. I think. But now for number 3. Number 3 is when this bugs me so bad. Like, look. For example, I can't even explain this. I can't explain the other one either, but I'll just show you guys. So, hey Wildlings. So, I'm just going to Miss Squishy. So yeah, that was number 3. And yeah, so if you didn't get that one, that was when they poke it, like when they're when they're letting it rise, and they're already poking another side. Like, it bugs me so bad. But yeah, anyways. For number 4 is when they don't even introduce the squishy. So, example. Hey guys, so I'm gonna try to do some squishy SMRs. I know they're supposed to just be for slime, but still, I don't care. So it's a really good squishy. I love it. It's very designed, very good. I like it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye. So that is typically my 4 squishy pet peeves. And they are so annoying. They bug me so much. Especially the other two. But yeah. And if you guys didn't get that, well, yeah. Because I already told you. But yeah. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Don't forget to comment what intro you like. Bye. Like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye.